Good job, you two. Good boys. Give. Where'd the birdie go? Where's that birdie, Tan? Whoop, just their nose. Just their nose. Chester's got that birdie. Good boy, Chester. Good boy. I got it. Ooh, Chester wants that birdie. Good boy. Good boy. I got it. I know you two go do it. Good job, Shadow. Give. Give. Hey. Give. Oops, somebody's finding it. It's Tan. Tan's got it. Good boy, Tan. Alright, I got it. I got it. Good job. I got it. Alright, you can give it to me now. Whoop. Ooh, made the mistake of coming out. Chester's gonna get it. Now, you guys are too fast. Okay. Alright. Alright. Give it to me. Was that a point there, Gray? Huh? The pop and everything. Alright, I got it. I've got it. Alice, give me that bird. You guys are waking up now. Eh. Let Tan have a chance. Good boy. Good boy. Give. Good boy. Oh. Silly bird got out again. Somebody noticed it. You're not running off with that thing. That's my bird. You bring it to me. Oh. Oh, you got it was a mouthful of hair there. All right. Yo, what was that, Shadow? What was that? Huh? All right, easy with it. Did you guys smell? Tripped right over it. Alright, easy. 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 Good boy, Tan. Good boy. I'll take it. Thank you. Thank you. Where'd it go? Ba-dump. 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 Ba-dump.